Hi there, what are you most passionate about? I think this is a really important question that everybody should ask themselves before they sort of get started creating a business online. Hi, my name's Andrew Plimmer from andrewplimmer.com. I'm coming to you from the beautiful Sunshine Coast here in Australia. I'm an affiliate marketer. I'm passionate about affiliate marketing. I love helping people getting started in affiliate marketing. So if you'd like to learn more about affiliate marketing, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and also clicking the bell to be updated when I produce a new video. Look, I think so many people get up every day and go to work, whether it be as an employee or even to their own business, traditional type business, and they don't really love what they're doing. And I think this is almost, well, I think it is a waste of life. And I think it's also very hard to be put everything into your business or your work if you don't love what you're doing. I think it's just so important that you love what you do. And so you might be thinking, well, how can I make money out of something that I'm passionate about? Well, if you look at YouTube, for example, I mean, there's literally tens of thousands of people making money from doing video game reviews, for example. Actually, a young guy here locally, here on the Sunshine Coast, he's got over 500,000 subscribers and doing very, very well from YouTube, doing YouTube reviews. You'll see people out there doing videos and promoting or giving tips and tricks on how to stay healthy and making lots of money, making millions of dollars. You'll see people on YouTube that are giving gardening tips and making millions of dollars. I'm not exaggerating either when I say that they're making millions of dollars, because they truly are. But the good thing about being passionate about what you do, it's going to make it so much easier for you to get started, because that's what you love doing. And like anything online and like anything in life, it'll take a little bit of time to build up some momentum and to get things going. So it's going to be very, very difficult to try and get started on something that you don't really love doing. And you'll probably most likely end up giving up. I've got so many friends who are naturopaths, for example, and I know that they could do so well if they just sort of stepped outside of their comfort zone and started giving health tips and advice on how to live a healthier life. I've got another friend of mine who's starting to build momentum in the mindset space. So she works online and helps people with mindset. There are just so many niches out there that would allow you to get started. And you might be pleasantly surprised. Another friend of mine is a dog trainer, and she loves training dogs. And she's more recently created a series of courses around how to train dogs, and is doing very, very well. And guess what? She's loving it because that's her passion. So my best advice ever is find your passion before you decide to sort of step outside there into the online business world. Find your passion first, and you'll find that if you've got passion about what you do, all of a sudden it's not work anymore, and and because you love what you're doing, it's just going to be so much easier all around. So I hope you got some gold nuggets out of this video. If you did, please like and comment and share. Please subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye now.